If you're aspiring to become an international student in Canada, then this video will give you a fair idea on the step-by-step initiatives taken to reach your final destination. Now the first step is to identify what you want to study and where you want to study at. For this, you can either visit us at our website fairfutureonline.com and use our program search engine to go through various courses issued in the universities and colleges, or you can call us and talk to our counselors who will help you identify the courses that you want to study according to your choice. If you do decide to call us, your call will be answered here at our inquiry desk, who will collect information such as your contact details, your current educational qualifications, and if you have a preferred course in mind. Now this information will be further passed on to the Canada head counselors who will get in touch with you very shortly. Now let us go upstairs and meet the counselors. Most of the counselors here in this cabin have over 14 years of experience in giving advice to students who aspire to study in Canada. They have answered almost 92,000 inquiries over the past 16 years to giving advice to students belonging from all kinds of educational backgrounds. Now when they get in touch with you, they will give you various informations like the education system in Canada, the kind of courses you can opt for in accordance to your educational qualification, the availability of that course in the upcoming intake, the fee structure, and all the other information that you require as an international student. And then from your conversations, if you're more than satisfied with one course or maybe more than one course, your application will be sent to the admissions team. The admissions team is solely responsible for documentation, who will further help you in applying to the institutes you prefer. Now let us go upstairs and meet the admissions team. This is our admissions team who keep applying for all your programs throughout the week. Each application is different from the other depending on the type of institute and the kind of program level you're looking for. For example, in the case of a master level program, you will be told to submit documents like the LORs, the experience certificates, etc., which also means that you will be told to submit documents in different stages as and when the missing document notification pops up. Now once your application is complete, they will keep checking every day on our online portal of university and college for the acceptance letter when your admission is granted. Once your admission is accepted and you've received the acceptance letter, the next step by FairFuture is that they will assign you a specific application advisor who will be duly responsible for giving you further details regarding the processes. She will be with you throughout the journey. Now let us go downstairs and meet our application advisors. Now once you receive the acceptance letter, the next step is to make the tuition fees payment directly to the university or college. You can also take an educational loan by using the offer letter issued by the university or college. Your application advisor will be with you throughout the journey until you reach your preferred study destination in Canada. Now let us look at the step-by-step initiatives taken by you along with the advisor to reach your final goal. Once you've made the payment, the university or college will issue a fees receipt which will then be used during the process of student visa application. In the second step, for an international student aspiring to study in Canada, they have to show that they have enough funds to meet their living expenses for a year while studying in Canada. To achieve this, your application advisor will help you to open a GIC account in your name in Canada and to invest in a minimum of 10,000 CAD to meet the requirements of the CIC. Once you've transferred 10,000 CAD to your newly opened account, you will receive a guaranteed investment certificate which will prove that you have enough funds to meet your living expense for a year in Canada. The Guaranteed Investment Certificate is the second document that you have to submit during the student visa application. For further information on how to open a GIC account, please watch our video, Fair Future's Guide on how to open a GIC account for international students in Canada, by clicking the link below the description. The third step is to complete the medical examination under the panel physicians enlisted by the CIC. This is done to protect the health and welfare of the people living in Canada and also to lessen the burden of the health and social service system of Canada. For detailed information on how to apply for a medical examination and what all documents to carry during the process, please watch our video, Fair Future's Guide on how to apply for a medical examination for international students in Canada. Now the fourth step is to apply for a police clearance certificate from a local SP office or a passport office. This is to ensure that you have no criminal record, and if you do, a copy of that has to be sent to the CIC, who will determine whether you are admissible to Canada or not. Now once you've completed the above 4 general steps, the next step is that the application advisor will start preparing your documents to apply for your study permit in Canada. They will need various informations like your educational history, your family information, and all the other information required for documentation. Once these informations have been collected, documented, and checked for mistakes whatsoever, the visa application is completed and submitted. You will also have to provide your biometrics as required by the CIC on a date notified to you later on. For a detailed information on study permit application and information that has to be procured pre-visa application, please watch our video, Fair Future's Guide on Canada Study Permit Application. Now we have applied for your study permit for you to be an international student in Canada. We wait for the CIC to provide you with the result for your study permit application, and if it is approved, we pass on this information to the university and college with a visa decision. Your application advisor will further help you with the accommodation and travel to your university or college. Now you can prepare yourself for an adventure of a lifetime, as Canada is a warm, progressive and welcoming nation. Hopefully this video has given you a fair idea on the step-by-step processes on how to achieve your goals to study in Canada. And if you decide to apply to study in Canada, do get in touch with us and let's get this conversation started. We look forward to hear from you. This is Team Fair Future.